Will my shipping address be saved on the Xbox One address line 1 for future purchases?
Hey there! Welcome to today's video where we'll be discussing an important question. Will your shipping address be saved on the Xbox One address line 1 for future purchases? If you're a gamer who frequently buys games or accessories for your Xbox One, this is definitely a topic worth exploring. So, let's dive right in.
Understanding Xbox One address line 1.
To begin with, let's clarify what the Xbox One address line 1 is. When you make a purchase on the Xbox One platform, you are typically required to provide a shipping address. The shipping address consists of various fields, such as address line 1, address line 2, city, state, postal code, and country. Address line 1 is used to enter your primary address information, such as your street number and name.
Storage and usage of shipping address.
Now, let's address the main question. Will your shipping address be saved on the Xbox One address line 1 for future purchases? The answer is no. Xbox One does not save your shipping address in the address line 1 field for future purchases. Each time you make a new purchase, you'll need to enter your shipping address again.
Importance of verifying your shipping address.
While the Xbox One doesn't save your shipping address for future purchases, it's still crucial to double-check and verify the accuracy of the address you enter during each transaction. This is essential to ensure that your purchases are delivered to the correct location. Mistakes in the shipping address can lead to delays or even the loss of your package. So, take a moment to review and confirm your shipping details before finalizing any purchase on the Xbox One.
Managing your shipping address.
Although the Xbox One doesn't save your shipping address for future purchases, you can make your shopping experience more convenient by managing your address within your Microsoft account. By updating and saving your shipping address details in your account settings, you can easily select your preferred address during the checkout process. This way, you won't need to manually type in your address every time you make a purchase. To wrap things up, the Xbox One does not save your shipping address in the address line 1 field for future purchases. It's important to verify your shipping address during each transaction to avoid any delivery issues. However, you can enhance your shopping experience by managing your shipping address within your Microsoft account. We hope this video has provided you with a clear answer to your question. Happy gaming, and see you next time!